Each NATROX O₂ kit is supplied with a NATROX O₂ holster, which is meant to provide a convenient, hands-free way for patients to remain mobile while receiving therapy. When using the holster to hold the NATROX O₂ OG, it's important to consider where the wound is in relation to the length of the tubing of the NATROX O₂ ODS, which is a little over 3 feet long. The OG is inserted into the holster, so the tubing is coming out of the top of the holster. This will reduce the risk of kinking, which would stop the flow of oxygen to the wound. The flashing green light indicates that the device is working, and this will be visible through the opening. The flap on the back has magnetic studs that secure the holster and can be worn in several different ways. It can be worn in a pocket. Position the flap so that it can be inserted into any pocket. This includes jackets and skirts. At the waist. The holster can be held at the waist by positioning the flap under a belt, or it can be placed on a waistband. Around the leg. The holster can be attached to the leg either above or below the knee using Velcro strap provided in the kit. This can be worn above the clothing or underneath it. If using the holster at the waist or pocket, run the tubing either underneath a pant leg or skirt and then attach it to the waistband using the flap on the back of the holster. If the tubing is taut or kinked, consider using the Velcro strap. Secure any excess tubing by wrapping it into loose circles. To secure any extra loose tubing, use the side tabs on the holster, tape it to the leg, or use stockinette either by itself or over the taped tubing.